This is the easiest way to get them the medication that they need.
If a giraffe gets one of these diseases, what's its odds of dying? 100%. It's really? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's save some giraffe lives. Yeah! Hey, let's get that other one. And we ain't leaving till all the giraffes are vaccinated.
Even though I now had air superiority,
Enjoy your medicine. Take care.
I brought in extra help to save as many animals as possible.
I see 5 unvaccinated giraffes. 4 unvaccinated giraffes.